Mailshake is an email outreach tool, and they just launched a new feature that does what we've done in these cold email teardowns, but in an automated way. So you pop an email into Mailshake and it'll give you feedback the same way that we've been doing on this channel. Now that sounds interesting to me because that's saving me a ton of work. Maybe I won't have to make these videos anymore. So I reached out to the CEO, Sujin Patel, and got a free license for Mailshake to show you in this video. Let's do a cold email teardown using their software and see how it compares. We're in Mailshake. Let's start a new campaign. We're gonna skip connecting an email account because I just wanna test this cold email teardown tool. Type an email address manually. I'll just put in mine. List cleaner. Verify the email address of this recipient and find the good, the risky may bounce, and the bad will probably bounce. I like that this is integrated. Voila, Norbert. I hope this is something that Sujin owns. It's a great revenue opportunity. I'm just blown away here. I'm gonna hit no thanks because I know my email is correct. So here is the real-time analysis. The real-time analysis we'll read here. And for our email, we're gonna use this one from Oscar Brune from 100 Visuals. He's using this to sell video editing. So we'll copy this email. We're using Yesware right now, and this email has a 6% reply rate, 57% open rate, 3% click rate, with 12 replies on 200 sends, very low. So it could be improved by at least 3 times by changing some stuff. Let's see if Mailshake can help us improve this email. His subject line is hi name question about your YouTube channel. And here is the email. Off the bat, we've got a few recommendations from the real-time analysis. It says free is spammy, consider fewer sentences per paragraph, consider a shorter subject, consider shortening your message. It's interesting because I was gonna say the same thing about the subject. I would remove at least hi name here, question about your YouTube channel, and now this goes away, so this is a short enough subject. Question about your YouTube channel. And I think that's fine for the subject line here. So into the email itself, let's take these suggestions. So first suggestion is free is spammy. So that comes from this part of the email. Having a video editor will free up your time, optimize your content, allow you to create more content, upload more content, and skyrocket your discovery. I know some people spell optimize differently. I'm an optimize with a Z sort of guy, or as they say in some countries, Zed. So it says remove the word free. Having an editor will free up your time. This is a basic AI. There's probably a list of words on the do not use list. I'll remove it anyway just because it's a suggestion here. I'll actually rewrite this sentence first to get rid of the word free. Having a video editor will free up your time, optimize your content, allow you to create more content, upload more content, and skyrocket your discovery. Let's rewrite this email and let's see what Mailshake has to say about the new email. So I would say something like, hey name, this is good. I run a team of video editors called 100% Visuals. So I would start with something about the YouTube channel. It's always better to start personalized, especially when you're talking about creative content. Let's actually write it like someone would be emailing me. So it's like, hey name, been following your videos for a few months now, especially the cold email content. So this can be customized per person that you're reaching out to. This would be a custom first line. I run a team of video editors called 100% Visuals where we edit videos for YouTubers like yourself. And I would remove like yourself and just put whatever the clients are. So I'm just gonna put sample clients like Sujin Patel or Will Berman. YouTubers with over 3 million subscribers are now on board and many other channels. So yeah, list the actual YouTubers that have over 3 million subscribers. That's huge. Trust me, I know how much time editing takes up. The YouTuber knows that if they're editing themselves. I would also remove the bold here. And I don't even think any of this is necessary. The company name is not even necessary. I edit videos. You don't even have to say you're an agency. I edit videos for YouTubers like Sujin Patel, Will Berman, and other channels that get millions of views. I know you're pretty well known already, but always good to consistently develop the channel, right? And that's true, but not really necessary here. You are pitching as a video editor, a person that already is making videos. So assume they already know what goes into a video. If I didn't already have a video editor and somebody was pitching me video editing services, I would have a couple questions. One would be around pricing, especially if they're pitching these huge YouTube channels as well. I'd be like, can I afford this? And then the second one would be about branding and quality. Can this guy deliver the type of videos that we make? That's why I called out Sujin Patel and Will Berman here. Depending on what he does, I would call out specific YouTubers that are like the YouTuber that you're trying to edit for. Because as an artist, even if we're making business videos, we want to make sure that the quality at least stays the same. It doesn't get worse by working with an editor. So having an editor will free up your time, optimize your content, So I would even remove this. I edit videos for YouTubers like Suchin Patel, Will Barron, and other channels that get millions of views. A 4-minute business video like you post can be done for about $60. How would you feel about discussing further? Let me know, and I can send over a few times. And I would just change this a little bit. Want to do a trial? So from here, Mailshake saying consider fewer sentences or paragraphs. So maybe we shorten it even more. I edit videos for YouTubers like Suchin Patel, Will Barron, and other channels that get millions of views. A 4-minute business video like you post can be done for about $60. Want to talk further? There we go. That's a yes or a no. Approved by Suchin Patel and Mailshake's AI. Should get a higher response. If you want the exact questions we ask new clients on call number 1 to help qualify and sell to them, that document is down in the description below. If you want to help this channel, I'd love if you would think of a person who would get value from this video and email it to them. Also, if you run a company and want help getting more enterprise level clients, check out experiment27.com. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks.